Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to Doing It with Jason. This is the first video in a 3-video series. We're going to show you step by step, and by we I mean me, of how to change this ordinary curb fine piece of furniture into something remarkable. Step 1. Okay, now, after you drink a whole lot of coffee, what you're going to end up with is an empty container. You can put some warm water in there and then use the Dixie Belle White Lightning. What that does is it cleans the furniture. Really awesome. You scoop a big ol' heaping tablespoon of it into the warm water. Yep, that looks about right. And then mix it up. You don't have to use your hands. You can use a stick, a spoon, you name it. But the product sure is safe, so it's no big deal. All right, terrific. Now, the next step is really cool. Dixie Belle sells a sanding sponge. It's 150 grit, I believe, on their webpage. Link is in the description down below. And what it is it's sanding on one side, sponge on the other. Look at that. Absorbs, you can clean your piece and sand it all at the same time. Wow, now that's easy. Man, you will be absolutely surprised with how much Yuki is on free furniture. So now after you finish the cleaning and sanding process, you're going to want to take fresh water and a rag and just clean off all of that nasty Yuki. Let it dry and we're ready to paint. Now be sure you subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching me, and hit that bell notification to get notified anytime a new video comes up. And join us next time on part 2 of this 3-part series. Till next time,